Alright, hello. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, so we had a... Did I get the furniture yesterday? I kept saying I was going to, and I might have forgot. I honestly don't remember anymore. So I apologize to myself if I didn't. We do not need a hand cart. Just wanted to double check that. Anyway, hello. Look at us. It's a sunny day. I can see there's no rain. It's nice, isn't it? So yesterday we had a pretty successful stream. I caught all the fish that I needed this month. So I caught the remaining 4. I caught the coelacanth as well, because it was raining. And it wasn't snow, because apparently that's a big issue in this game. I saw 2 of them in this span of 5 minutes, so they were pretty easy to just spawn and also notice. So I don't think they have too bad of a spawn rate. Anyway, that was yesterday. Katrina was here yesterday as well. I didn't talk to her, but that happened. Which, okay, hold up. That obviously has an impact on some things. Mainly just making things take longer. Okay, there we go. That's our first gyroid, and that's our last bug of the month, actually. So yeah, I don't have a lot of flowers in my town, which is okay. I don't really want to have them in acres where I drop turnips, because that's going to just cause issues. However, they do help to, like, balance out weeds if too many grow in a single acre. So, like, they definitely have benefits. And I am considering planting some flowers, like on the other side of town, maybe. Could make it easier to catch things, you know? But I'm not there yet. Anyway, so today should be pretty simple. I'm not expecting anything crazy. Nobody should be here. Katrina's weird. She really messes with the schedule, and I'm not a fan of how she's done. I'm gonna check all the gyroids after to see if I need them. You can wait. We'll build up the anticipation. Anyway, she shows up on the day that she's scheduled at 9 p.m. and then she doesn't leave until after 9 p.m. the next day. So, if I want to, like, know who's coming to town next, I'd have to show up after 9, or I have to wait until the next day. But then like, maybe because, like, she leaves at 9, it, like, calculates it. Like, here's my problem. I don't know how it, like, picks when to get a new visitor. Like, do you have to, like, load the game while there's no visitor? That's why I like Wendell and Gracie, because as soon as you talk, I mean, it's not great that you can only talk to them with 3 people, but as soon as you do, they leave, and then you can check to see who's coming next, and then that's usually something within the next 2 days. Like, it's 2 days later usually. But with Katrina, I don't know if that's quite the case. So maybe I'm just, like, talking about an issue that doesn't actually exist. But I will find out very soon. Again, we're just looking for gyroids. So I'll pick that up. I don't think I checked the acre with Tangy, did I? I usually forget it. Alright, Alright, let's donate this bad boy. That's $10. Yay. Yahoo. Alright, we do also have to look for Gulliver. I've checked like almost half the beach now. I get the furniture quickly, which is nice. And we have a bunch of turnips in here from Katrina. So I know there's nothing there. Maybe it's good to have like turnips there, because then like I can see if there's anything new immediately without having to run and get stuck behind Booker. It's efficient. See, look at that. Nothing to report today. Like, this is why Katrina's a problem. She just like destroys the schedule. Not a fan. Actually, though. Also, she doesn't, like, give me items. Which is obviously not helpful. And now that if I get, like, a good fortune that, like, makes items, like, or rare items easier to get, but, like, that doesn't affect... It doesn't affect things. Like, your luck resets after midnight. I would have to, like, get the fortune after midnight, get the good item thing, and then my store items would be affected the next day, maybe. Like, it doesn't really do anything apart from that, I don't think. I mean, like, if you're, like... If I was doing, like, the Igloo minigame on a day where I had good item luck from Katrina, I think that could, like, help. Potentially, but... I'm not sure. So... She's not super helpful. If I got a good, like, money fortune, I could get, like, 90k pretty quickly, but I don't know if it's, like, worth going through the effort to do that. Anyway, we got more gyroids, and the basement's kind of full. And when I say kind of full, I mean it's, like, pretty darn full. So let me see what I need here. Okay, I have that, supposedly. Mega Echoid. That's new. So we'll drop him. And then the Rustoid. He's new. Okay, so two new out of 3, not bad. Again, I can't really complain if I get something. So that means I should have 50 gyroids if I check. And we're gonna drop him over there. Again, I will like clean those up at some point. I just don't know when. Because again, I think I can use them on the island once we're in the end game. Okay, so we're almost done. Unless... Okay, well... That middle shirt might be new. I think the one on the left isn't. And I'm pretty sure we have the heart shirt. painting. I don't know if I have that one or not. I don't think I do. But I might have it, you never know. Okay, so like I don't need this, but how much is it? It's a little pricey. That's the wet road? Yeah. That one's kind of cheap. Maybe I'll just buy it. I have to buy the painting though. I think. What is this? What are you? Classic painting. I have the classic painting. Well, never mind then. I need a lawnmower, not a lawn chair. Okay, so really we just have to buy these shirts and then check the catalog and then we're good. Pop Bloom sounds very spring-like to me. Wait, I have that? What do you mean I have that? Alright, whatever. Polar fleece, and somehow that's not, like, a winter item? I don't... forget it. Forget it. Okay, so furniture's still the same, nothing new. Those are gonna be the same. Clothing still the same. That's the same, that's the same. There you go, 50. Correct. Alright, 50 jar rates, not bad. Alright, I'd like to get a good visitor this week. It is Wednesday, though. And again, the Katrina thing's weird, right? Like, normally, I'm basically done, so I'm just gonna rant about this again. Like, if I have Wendell, I talk to Wendell, he disappears after the third person, the game decides who the next visitor is gonna be then and there. And then 2 days later, someone usually shows up. But then every time Katrina showed up, it's like, there's a 2-day gap afterwards. And sometimes there are like 2-day gaps, like after normal visitors. It does happen, but usually like when they go, it's like maybe that's it. Like if it's Wendell or Gracie, because they leave then and there, it like decides it quicker. But if it's someone like Sahara or Katrina, or I guess Red, no, I haven't seen him yet, like they leave at the end of the day. So, because yeah, we had Wendell, like, last week, Sahara was here on Wednesday, and then Wendell showed up on Saturday. And then on Monday, 2 days later from that, Katrina showed up, and now we still don't know what's happening. And usually it gives you a notice 2 days out, which means that our next visitor is probably going to be on Saturday, so we could have another Wendell and KK Saturday, the classic. But who knows? We'll see. Anyway, that's a quick one. Turnips are still going up. I don't know if I'm going to make money or lose money here. I'm not sure about the spike, but we'll wait and see. We got 2 gyrates today, which is really cool. We got the spotted ladybug, so I'm officially all caught up on bugs and fish. We've caught everything so far. That's 10 bugs and 25 fish. And we got the gyrates and no Gulliver yet, so we're still looking for him. We only got 2 days left. And that's it, I think. Yeah, and no visitor yet, so hopefully we get someone good, but I'm out, and I'll see you tomorrow.